So I'm going to walk through using Sphinx on an analysis of some medical claims data on a relatively straightforward question, but with actual raw data. The idea here is to show that Sphinx will work on your data as it is. You don't need to make your data ready for AI or any other lofty goal with us. We will operate the same way that you would as a data scientist on messy data, deal with the messiness, deal with missing values, deal with absurd distributions, and come to a robust answer alongside you. So let's start by asking it to load some data, claim CSV. We can obviously pull this from a database as well, but just for the purpose of the demo, and tell me how the page ratio is going to vary with age. Pretty straightforward question, and Sphinx will get to work. It'll start loading the data, and it will start visualizing the data. In the back end, of course, it's using its representation learning to understand it as well. You can see here, obviously, there are some issues with this data. There seem to be patients whose ages are reasonably absurd, over 1,000 years. Probably a data entry issue. I would imagine maybe they're actually 10 years older and multiplied by 100 or something like that. But we'll see what Sphinx can do about this. Now, Sphinx can obviously identify there are outliers here, values greater than 1,000. And so we're going to investigate those outliers and then redo the analysis post-cleaning. And we will let Sphinx go and do that. So it's going to go filter out that data, write some code, look at the distributions, clean the distributions, and it's trying a variety of things, trying some rolling averages, trying some different bucketizations. Having done that, it now seems to have arrived at what it seems to think is the best way to represent this data, which is some kind of 5-year bucketization, because there are perhaps some edge effects. And here we can see the trend that we actually want to see, a reasonably modest increase with age. Probably makes sense given the patient demographic, and we can uncover the signal we want without anyone needing to actually go and do ETL on this data to make sure it's perfect ahead of time.